Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to your daily Ethereum update. Pretty important update, it's a pretty big day today. I expect quite a lot of volatility. First of all, it's a Friday. Friday usually is pretty volatile, but apart from that, we're also still very much stuck in a range. And we're getting some important economic numbers and and there are some important economic events. So I'll talk about everything of that. I'll try to prepare you as well as possible as I can for everything that could happen with Ethereum. And I'll give you my thoughts and my explanations while doing so. But before we get into Ethereum specifically, if you want to receive daily trading signals, then check out the links down in the description and the pinned comment. There you find instructions on how to join and also the trade results. And also check out the Love-Hate Inu pre-sale, which there's a link down in the description as well. All right, now on to Ethereum. Enough of disclaimers and a little promotion. So Ethereum right now, I mean, if you purely take a look at it technically, we've been consolidating in a very, very small range, basically between 1770 or let's drag it down, 1765. And at the top, our main resistance was 1820. That's where we have been consolidating, which is actually not that bearish. I mean, Ethereum has been in many ways more stable than Bitcoin has been. And you can also see right now we are finding some bearish momentum, but like if you would compare the price levels of Bitcoin to the ones of Ethereum, Ethereum should already be down here around 1720, which we are not. So we're pretty stable, and I think we will remain stable. I think we will at least stay on top of 1750, 1760, which is our main support. And then the big question is can we actually get some sort of a bullish breakout later today due to the economic numbers? What we'll have later today is the PCE price index, which is, I mean, it's a medium impact number, they say. But this is actually these are the results that the Federal Reserve looks at when determining an appropriate risk interest rate. Excuse me. So it's actually pretty important because right now one of the main drivers of bullish momentum is monetary policy in the US. So that is going to make the market move. Altogether, if this is lower than expected, that's good. If it's higher than expected, that's bad. And I really genuinely do expect some big movements because of that. Like for example, right now, we are very much still stuck in this range, right? I actually do think that we have a pretty big chance, especially because Ethereum has still shown so much strength compared to Bitcoin. I mean, right now, Bitcoin, as you can see, we had a bearish breakout. It looks like it's stronger because it looks less volatile. But believe me, it's like when we drop down here with Bitcoin and drop down here like the 24th of March, you can see that Ethereum dropped down all the way to this level. And right now, we're still very much higher than that. But yeah, so because I think Ethereum is still showing quite a lot of bullish momentum, I think that if the results are actually lower than expected, which is at this point of time what I expect, then I think Ethereum can break above our main resistance, that 1840 level, and get towards 1900 and 1920. So given all the factors right now, I think this is the most likely scenario for today, which is pretty risky thing to say in these market circumstances, but it's just according to my analysis. I think it's according to the facts. I mean, if the economic results are as expected or even higher than expected, then that's bad. And we are going to drop down. I think we will still hold 1720 and 1700 as a support, but we will receive significant bearish momentum, bearish pressure, and a drop down. So we'll have to wait for the economic results. I try to explain to you as well as possible what I expect, depending on the results, but also what I expect until then. So for now, thank you for watching. Take care today and bye.